I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Oracle Linux 10 in VirtualBox. So to download the software, in Google search box, write there Oracle Linux. Then go on this oracle.com site. Thereafter download Oracle Linux, and here this you can get Oracle Linux installation. So you need to scroll down. Here you can see this is the 10 version is there. So full ISO going to select there. And now you can see the file is 8 GB, and here ISO file, DVD ISO file. So this file that I already downloaded, so that I'm not going to download all this again. Now I'm going to show you the file that I have. Let's go on this download section here on this Oracle Linux. Yes, complete page. Now let's install this. So let's open the Oracle VirtualBox. Here you need to click on this name. So writing there Oracle Linux. Oracle Linux, that's fine. Then this all looking fine. Thereafter you need to click on this next. Here you need to give for base memory. This fine, or this here, that's okay. Here disk size, let's keep there, or 80 GB, that's fine. Okay, near to 80. Let's click on next, finish. Thereafter, let's go on this setting. Here, you need to select features, make that bi-directional. This here, bi-directional. Description, that's fine. System, notice change, processor, that's fine. Display, let's skip there a little bit till green storage. You need to click on this empty, select the file. Choose from file. Here, this is Oracle Linux. And now thereafter let's click on this OK, and now start this selected there, right click, then click on this start GL. So Oracle Linux is now starting. So the next is, let's cancel this first, or test this video and install this option that's selected there, press enter. So now you can see this all that's come there. Here this is checking 2%, that's done here. So you need to wait till 100. Next is, let's select here English option that's selecting. Then after here 1 second, or let's click on this continue. Then this place installation destination, or that's checked there. Let's click on this turn. One time more, select there, then click on this turn. This turn here, root user, enable the root user, give the password, confirm, then click on this turn. And here user creation, let's give there item and giving the password, and let's click there done. So this all done. Now let's click on this begin installation. So this here installing this Oracle Linux inside the Oracle VirtualBox. So here you can see, for this one, this net must be connected because this here downloading some package there. Let's start then after let's click on this reboot system. So let's click there, reboot system, and this is restarting the Oracle Linux 10 on this VirtualBox. Now you can log in with the add-on, or if you want, then you can log in with the root. So let's give their root and give their password. Press enter. So this is now login. Thereafter, this is a small screen size. So right click here on this display. And here you can see this is. So let's scroll up. Then you can get here 90/20/10. Apply. Then your size is now that's changed there. And this is, let's make that full screen. After that, you can work in this Oracle Linux operating system 10%. So this is how we can install Oracle Linux on this VM VirtualBox. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So I this video is over. So thanks for watching. Say next. Thank you.